Good morning, guys. So Nichesss is in the AR generation game. So let's dive straight in and see what it's got for us, guys. So I've set up a new project. You can use any of your existing projects. Let's see, social media scroll stoppers. What we want, guys, stop that scroll. So if you're familiar with Nichesss, you'll know the interface exactly. There's a couple of additions that was being made, but I'll walk you through those now. If you don't know the interface, you don't know Nichesss, jump on it now, guys. No matter how many AI tools I've got, I keep coming back to Nichesss time and time again. So I think that speaks volumes. It's on LTD at the moment. Click on the link in the description. Anyway, let's jump in it. So here we are. We've got new. Click onto new. What we want to do is click onto AI image. What I'm going to do is I've got another tool that I use quite extensively for AI stuff, which is Riku. I absolutely love this tool. I'll leave a link in the description and a link to a tutorial I've got as well. So let's just take this prompt, Control C, and let's throw that into Nichesss. Now, Nichesss is in beta, the AI generation part, so there may be a little bit of a delay, but let's have a look. So it's 10:13 in the morning in the UK here, so let's see how long this takes and what we get. I've only used this very briefly. I've been impressed with the output that it's given me, and it's all built into Nichesss. If you've got the LTD, you've already got that built in. So, you know, what I found with these type of image tools is when you first get them, you use them loads and loads and loads and loads and loads, and then kind of novelty wears off. So to have a tool where you don't have to pay monthly for, or you don't have to keep topping up your credits, as it were, it's absolutely superb. So wow, I like that. You may need to do a little bit of editing, guys. So there's text here. You just probably pop that into your image editor and take from there, guys. So I absolutely love this, guys. I'll be using this on a regular basis. Well done, Malcolm. Nichesss tribe, enjoy, and if you haven't got this already, jump in and get it while it's on an LTD lifetime offer. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great day and speak to you later. Bye bye.